Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you some simple ideas on what you can make on your game. Faulty captions, just ignore them. Yeah, so thanks guys. I'll choose a sprite or you can make your own. How about I choose an orange? The sprite is too small. Let's make it bigger. Let's make it go to x0, y0 at the start. Okay, so now let's make a score system. That should work. Let's make it reset at the start of the game. So now let's make this better. So now take the size block and put it between the plus and divide blocks. And then right here you put, I think, 100, and then you divide by 4. Oh wait, it's I forgot. Set that to 150. Then let's see. Oh, it's kinda laggy, but it shouldn't be laggy for you. And then I just remembered again, 7 to 50. And then let's create another forever loop. One flag clicked, whatever. Take out a pointing direction block. And make a new variable. Name it turn. And then when flag clicked, set turn to 0. And then change turn by 3. And then just take a plus and multiply block, place it here, and then here put 90, here put 10, and here take a sign block. Now together you can just take this absorb block and take the sign off. And then just put ton. That's it. Yeah, yours will be much faster, but since I'm recording with OBS and so much things in the background, but mine's kinda slow. Anyways, that's how you improve a game, and that's your first game idea. So please like, subscribe, and comment if anyone really watches this video. And if you do it, thank you, and I'll see you another day.